So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to adjust Vizio Soundbar setting, input, volume, bass, treble and effects. So method first is using a remote with an LCD screen. Turn on your TV and Vizio Soundbar. Press the menu button on the Vizio remote. Use the up down arrow on the remote to find audio. Press the OK button to select it. Use the up and down arrow to select bass, treble or EQ. Use the left right arrow to raise or lower the level. Press exit to save your changes. Second method is using a remote without a screen. Turn on your Vizio soundbar, press the bass, treble or sub button on your remote. Look at the LED light on the left side of the soundbar. Press the volume up button to increase the level. The LED light will move upward. Press the volume down button to decrease the level. The LED light will move downward. Wait 5 seconds before pressing any button. The light will turn off and save your setting. Third method is changing the EQ mode. Movie music dialog. Press the EQ button on the remote control. Press the EQ button repeatedly to cycle through option. Listen to the soundbar. It will either speak the model name or flash specific LED light pattern. Stop pressing the button when you hear or see dialogue. Best for clear voices or movie. Best for action. Fourth method is using the Vizio mobile app. Download the Vizio mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone. Open the app and follow the on-screen prompt to pair your soundbar. Tap the gear icon or setting in the app. Tap audio, drag the digital slide bar to instantly adjust bass, treble, subwoofer and center channel. Thanks for watching.